So you will have one of 4 possible cross positions. This is the first one. This is the dot. You're going to use the same algorithm for all of them, except one of them. And you're going to use it a different number of times, and a set of U moves. So, for the dot, you do F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, U2, F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, and that will get your cross. The yellow L. So you want to hold the L in the upper left and do this algorithm. F, R, U, R prime, U prime, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime, and that will get your cross. So this last one, it's a line going vertical. Did I seriously just say that? Last one is a line going horizontal, like so. Again, you don't care about the corners. Looks like a T though. Anyway, so here's your line, or bar as some people call it. You want to hold it horizontally, do the algorithm F, R, U, R prime, U prime, F prime once, and that will get you to your cross. Last one is actually the cross itself. If you already have the cross, you don't need to do this step. Don't even need to do an algorithm. You can just completely skip the step. Congratulations. You just made it one step closer. You now have your yellow cross, and we're going to be finishing the rest of the side now. So, this step only has one algorithm, and it's very simple. Here's what it'll look like at the end of the step. Last layer done. That's pretty cool. That's momentous. Like, wow. Okay, alright. You will have different number of corners pointing up, like this one. You can have none, you can have 1, or you can have 2. You will never, ever have 3. Ever. If you get 3, someone tampered with your cube. And they should be hurt. A lot. So this is how you're going to solve. If you have one corner, you're going to put it in the lower left, facing you. And you're going to do this algorithm as many number of times you need. So, it should only really be once, but sometimes you'll get 2 times. Sometimes you get more than once. So, here's the algorithm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And that will solve the top. Now sometimes you'll have the corner in the facing up in the lower left, but when you do the algorithm, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, it won't solve it. Oh dear, that's a problem. Oh well, just try again. Move it into the lower left and do the algorithm one more time. And that should solve it. If you have no corners facing up, you want to find a yellow corner and put it in the lower left and have it so the yellow sticker faces to the left, like so. Then you want to do the algorithm. Turn the U up layer if you need to, and do the algorithm again until it's solved. And there it is. If there's two or more facing up, position one of the corners so it's facing you. So the yellow is facing you. Then do the algorithm. Position the U layer if you need to. Do it again. Position, and just keep repeating that until it's solved. There. Done. You've completed that step. Now, your yellow side should be done, your white side should be done, and 2/3 of every other color at least should be done. I also finished the blue side by accident, but... So, okay, you're almost done. 2 more steps, and then you're done. Finally. Remember, you can watch the video as many times as you need to. Okay. So, this step, you should have two corners that are the same color facing you, like this. So, red, red. That should happen. There are cases which it doesn't, but in that case, just do the algorithm twice. I'll show you the algorithm in a moment. So, there should be two colors on this side facing you. These two are red, and we're ignoring this, by the way. There should be red. I have red and green in the middle. So you want to match it up. So that side is almost done, but the green side. Now, have the cube do a 180. Literally, turn the cube so what you just did is in the back. The almost done side is in the back. The algorithm is R prime, F, R prime, B2, R, F prime, R prime, B2, R2. See how almost everything's done, but 3 pieces are moved?